Evaluate the limit as x approaches negative infinity of 1 over x minus 4. Boom! Now, how did I do that? Well, if you have a higher degree in the denominator than the degree in the numerator, and x approaches either infinity, no matter what, no matter what, no matter what, you're going to approach 0. Why? Well, let's use common sense, okay? Let's use common sense. And again, this could be either infinity. All right, if I were to plug in like -1, all right, I'd get 1 over -1/5. Great. Okay. If I were to plug in -10, I'd get what? 1 over -1 over 14th, much smaller number. If I were to plug in 100, I would get -1 over regular 104. So these numbers are getting smaller, 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 smaller. And what they're doing is they're giving me numbers awfully close to 0. So as the denominator gets larger in either direction, your number is approaching 0. That's why. So no matter what, if you're finding the limit as x approaches either of the infinities and your denominator is a larger degree, no matter what, no matter what, no matter what, it's approaching 0, no matter what, end of story.